there's the two of them, so we'll be talking to them a little later. You can call them on 099 011 1111. And we've also got the Beautiful South performing their new song. Plus, we have got the cast of Brookside telling us what sort of music that they like to listen to. That is The Noise. Good morning and welcome to 1,800 seconds of total music bliss. This is The Noise live on a Saturday morning at 11 o'clock on ITV. Now, why are we outside?
Why not?
Exactly. Why not? Why me? Why you? Let's rumble. All of them. I could do all the titles. You crazy cats, you. Now, listen. As well as these two cheeky little monkeys on our show, we've got some more friends joining us today. And this is who they are. The Spice Girls from Los Angeles. That's where they made their fab new video. We've got them on the show. Yeah, you're going to get the chance to talk to them. But we've decided to actually get hold of all your fan mail, boys, and tell me, they're all knickers.
Yeah.
I mean, you get obviously sent a lot of these things.
We do. We get a lot of these things through the post.
Okay, but could you actually remember whose pair of knickers are whose?
Sometimes I remember these, actually.
Yes.
Funny you said that. Yeah, this was from a girl in Suffolk.
Oh, my goodness, a girl in Suffolk.
Claire, she's called now.
Claire from Suffolk,
yeah.
they're on it. They got here. Okay, well, how about this pair here? Maybe this pair. Sorry, make it difficult for you.
They're Tanya. Tanya from Somerset.
Oh, Tanya, bless you. And okay, what about this frilly pair here?
Oh, they're Matt, who stands right here.
Oh, man, you shouldn't have. Did you want them back, actually?
Do you want them back?
Yeah, because you might need them for after the show or
Watch
something.
them next time.
He looks good in them, actually. I've got to tell you, he looks in them.
Calm yourself. Listen, if you'd like to check if your knickers got here, Matt obviously did, or you just want to ask these two a little question, don't give them to us. All you've got to do is call this number now.
Put your questions to the stars. Call 0990 11 11 11. Call 0990 11 11 11.
Okay, so boys, you have a choice now, okay? You could go into Studio 1, where there's a show about supermarkets where you push a trolley around, or you could go into Studio 3, where there's a trendy music program hosted by this really nice guy. Yeah, they're only joking. They're only joking. That Lionel Blair, look, they're only joking. Anyway, look, come this way, because we've got all these knickers still, right? But did you know that our band who are first on the show, okay, their album sold... All right there, Michael.
Oh, yeah. Come out.
Their album sold 2.2 million copies. That's an awful lot. How many households does that mean?
That's 1 in every 7, Andy.
1 in every 7 households have got that album. I haven't got one. Have you got one?
I've got one, yeah.
Have you got one?
I've got, yeah.
But then that means there's 2 in your household.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, but you're a very strange household. No, get out of my way. Anyway, come over here, come over here. Get those knickers out of the way, because here are the Beautiful South singing their single, Rotterdam.
The whole place is pickled. The people are pickles for sure. And no.
Yeah, here they are. Welcome, Anton Deck, to The Noise.
Thank you.
You all right, boys?
Very well, very well.
Now, you're facing that. When Rumble came on, right, they were like, oh no. That's one of your, that's an all-time classic song, that now.
Yeah.
It is, you know. You shouldn't be embarrassed.
Just looking at the video, it seems like it was such a long time ago.
Well, the fact that you're in the street going like this, you know.
It's not done every day, is it? You know
No, it's not done every day. Now, boys, you've been on holiday recently. How was it?
Yeah, it was lovely.
Nice
It was really
We had a break for about 3 weeks.
Okay, where did you go?
I went home to Newcastle.
That must have been nice.
It was lovely, it was lovely.
Excellent. So sarcastic, didn't it? That must have been nice. And where did you go?
Barbados.
Oh, Barbados.
Yes, you can see who gets paid the most out of the duo.
But you see, Ant and Dec always have your name first.
Yeah.
Always have your name first. Now, who's better, boys, the Beatles or Oasis?
The Beatles.
It's got to be the Beatles.
The Beatles, because the Beatles have been around for a long time.
Yeah.
I mean, they split up before we were born. You know that. Right. You know, but someone like Mike on camera 2, you see, he was born and he's still alive now, but only just some say. But there we go. But do you like the way he put a trendy T-shirt on? He thought, just in case I'm on the tell, I'll put a trendy colour T-shirt on. Anyway, well done. He's just making hand gestures to me. So what do you want? You want 1 minute? You want me to look at camera 1? Okay, I don't mind. I'll do what you like. Anyway, it's time for the competition, and you could win a Beatles prize. Take a look at this.
Madonna, children at your feet. Wonder how you manage to make ends meet.
Well, now we stick 2 fingers. You want me to look at 2 instead? Now what? Oh, dear me. Oh, dear, dear. Anyway, listen, there I am. This is the prize that you want to win because we have got 8 videos of the Beatles songs, and it's a Beatles anthology. We've also got Beatles CDs, and what else have we got, Jay? Top Show Brookside, Top Show Brookside. Now listen, if you were watching the programme last week, you'll remember that we had the Blue Tones on with their very special performance of their single. Now, what we need are some entries because we asked you to see if you could notice what was deliberately... Were you watching at home, boys?
Yeah.
Yes.
So we asked you to find out if you could notice...
Barbados.
Well, they get it over there, you know.
Oh, that's good.
It's called viewing.
We asked you to find out if you knew what was deliberately different about the Blue Toes performance. Well, this is what the performance looked like, and all of you, well, so many of you noticed that the guitarist Scott Morris had swapped places with Ed Chester, the drummer. So congratulations to everybody who knows
Those
it.
crazy guys.
I know, they're crazy, aren't they? And what a funny name, Ed's. You know, you could name a diner after him. Anyway, so this is what you could win. You could win all this Blue Tone stuff, which Julian, Paul McCartney, the Beatle, is wearing, an exclusive T-shirt, some drumsticks, CDs and a record, but we have to pick the winner. So we've got these bugs, right? Now, what you do is you throw these bugs like this. It just missed the lens. But anyway, you two, what we need you to do, are you going to get it? There we are. Marvellous. What you've got to do, boys, is look at the turn round and throw it on there somewhere, and somebody will be the winner of the competition in your own time. Oh, you failure, Ant McPartlin, you failure. Do it again, Okay, right, here we go. Oh, forget it. Just pick one.
This one, yeah.
Here we are, right. So, congratulations to Siobhan, who lives in Basildon in Essex. Well done. You will get all of this gear. Okay, that gear is yours. But now listen, the Spice Girls. Recently, they made their brand new video. Do you know what they... So, do we think...
Can't argue with that.
Well, you can't argue, not with the Spice Girls. You want to take all 5 on at once, would you?
Wouldn't mind.
Anyway, let's get on with your calls. Thank you very much to everyone who's called in to speak to Ant and Deck. Hayley in Hampshire. Good morning.
Hi.
What's your question?
Are either of you in a relationship at the moment?
Are you reading the papers?
She has, yes.
Well,
are
have you
you?
been... Shut up!
Tell me.
Have you been reading some papers? I'm not getting married anyway.
You're not getting
I'm
married?
not getting married, and I haven't just been on honeymoon.
Okay, fair enough. But are you in a
I'd like to
relationship
deny
at the
that right
moment?
now.
That was the question.
Well, what's it got to do with you, Mr. Peters, eh?
I'll find out, don't you worry. Kelly from Derby, what's your... Yes.
There's somebody in the house.
Okay, Kelly. So I take it you're excited. What's your question?
I just want to know
Yes.
if there's going to be a new age range on the new show. Because the last one was 11 to 16-year-olds.
Oh, was it?
What, in the audience, you mean?
Yeah,
Oh, nah. How old are you?
I'm 16.
Yeah,
Oh,
you can come down.
You can come.
Yeah?
It's going to be...
Brilliant.
Bring all
I'll
your
be
friends
there.
as well. And your family.
Okay,
Yeah,
brilliant. So there'll be no age range.
Nah, not really.
It's going to be a lot wider now. A lot wider, a lot of older.
Up until about 20-ish.
20, because that's old 20. That is old.
I'm 20.
And you're old. Okay, thank you very much for your question, Kelly. Okay, Jennifer.
Hi.
Morning, what's your question, Jennifer?
Why don't you bare your bodies like other boy bands?
Why don't we what?
Bare your bodies.
Go on, do it.
Go on, get that.
Nah.
Prove to her that you can. Go on.
I just
I haven't
think...
got my baby on.
I just think it's all sort of just ridiculous, really, all that sort of stuff. Do you know what I mean?
It's just, I think it's just a bit boring, isn't it?
Yeah.
And, like, we've never wanted to go down that route of just standing there like that.
Yeah.
And I don't know, we've tried to do it, always try to do it a little bit differently. Especially with the music as well, we've tried to make, not just sort of, a ballad every single or something. We've always tried to make the music a little bit different.
Oh, absolutely.
And try not to go down that stereotype.
Down that, let's show my abs in every pop video, look.
Yes.
Okay, fair enough. Joanna.
What's your new song called and when is it coming out?
Oh.
It's called When I Fall in Love.
Yeah.
And it's out on the 11th of November. And
Okay.
we'll be on the noise very soon doing it.
Marvellous. And somebody emailed us and they're partly deaf, so I want to do their question. They said, do you ever wish that you could go back to Biker Grove? Tony Sutton. Do you ever wish you could?
No, I don't wish to go back to Biker Grove. I'd love to do some more acting
Right.
in the future.
Okay.
Not necessarily Biker Grove, but definitely.
Okay,
more
fair enough. Okay, they were and still are and always will be Ant and Dec. Yes, marvellous. Now, I'm just going to turn my back on you for a moment.
Oh, go
okay?
on. Go on ahead.
How rude! How rude! Because Tony Braxton's in the studio. She's going to sing her new song live for the first time she's ever performed it on British television. Listen to this. It sounds fantastic. It's shot okay. The director, you know, a bit old now as well, over 20. But anyway, here it is. Fantastic. Another sad old love song. But this one's called Unbreak My Heart. Okay, I'll walk very, very slowly this time, because last week I walked too fast. Was that slow enough for you, Cameron? Yeah, it was about right. Yeah, they're happy with me. Tony Braxton, thank you very much. And happy birthday for Monday as well. Ant and Dec, as ever,
Andy,
nice to see you.
thank you.
Look out for your new single.
Cheers, Andy.
And thank you very much to the beautiful self right down there at the end of the sofa. Chart show exclusives on the way from Tina Turner and cast. See you in 7 days.